Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got MJ Lacquer, A Time to Heal, and Maniology MXM047. I'm starting this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is MJ Lacquer's A Time to Heal. Stunning polish. We're going to go in with our first coat. Yes, I do realize I have all different size nails, but we're going to just get through this week and then I'm going to do some filing. So we love this A Time to Heal because it's a non-seasonal polish. It's not really, well, you know what? In my mind, it's perfect for the season. It's got that frosty, wintry, glisten kind of look. So, well, you guys know, I love stuff like this. Oh, beautiful polish. We're going to use Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat to get this to dry down very quickly. And then we're going to be stamping with Maniology MXM047. I like this plate. I'm just going to let you know. I love the lettering. I want to play with that soon. Very soon. I cleaned it off with some acetone real quick, and I'm going to wipe it with a paper towel just to get the smudges and stickiness off of it. And I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black, as well as my Conad stampers and AliExpress stamper and my Beauty Big Bang scraping card today. This is the AliExpress cube stamper that I got. So I'm going to pick up a couple of these cherubs. Well, there's kind of one, they're not exact copies of each other, but they're kind of one's facing one way and the other one's facing the other way. So I thought that would work really well. I'm going to go ahead and get that extra off of it. And I'll be using Maniology's Dovetail to fill these images in today. And I'm also going to use it for this rose because it's going to be my middle fingernails. I'm just going to stamp that straight on the nail. I'm not doing a decal with that one. And I'm going to clean up that excess real quick. And here we go. I'm going to line that up, and that's going on the middle nail. And then the cute little cherubs are going to go on either side using my ring fingernail and my pointer fingernail. And then we're going to stamp with the outline of that rose image in black and make it pop a little bit. Because right now you can't hardly see it, but wait till you see this. This works out really well. I got it lined up pretty good too. I was really surprised. Ta-da! So I'm going to clean the plate off with some acetone before I put it away. I like to do this. Get it all cleaned up. I really do like them to look pretty, but I can't say they all look perfect. And I'll be using that dovetail again, like I said, to fill in these other images. And the Maniology 101 detail brush. I'm going to dial y'all in a little bit. And I'm just using the one color. You know, these images are so little that to, you know, do different colors, there was no way I was going to be able to pull that off. Some people might be better at this than I, but I got pretty shaky hands. I blame the caffeine, but I just, you know, I could not be trusted to do two colors on this. But it looked real pretty if I could have done the wings in white. Flipped it over, checked it out. Going to add a little bit more in a couple of spots. And then we're going to let this sit and dry for just a few minutes, maybe 5, 7, 10 minutes. Just depends on how thick the polish is. And I'm pretty notorious for popping mine under my regular nail dryer. Not a nail lamp, but a nail dryer. It's like a little fan made just for nails. And I use that quite a bit if I'm in a hurry. Which typically I might be. And I just thought this color would be great for like these angel faces or cherub faces. And after they're dry, I'm going to directly stamp them straight onto the nails. That one I was kind of out of frame, but this one I'm going to do a little better. So there we go. So we've got a couple of cherubs and a rose. I'm going to top it with a smudge-free top coat. Seal it all in without smearing it. And I will leave a link to everything I can down below. I'm also going to top these with the Poshe top coat. And then that's it. I'm done with this one. Beautiful manicure. Love the base color. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this manicure. And I will try to do better about my responding. I promise y'all, I'm working on it. Life's just been nuts, you know. And I know you guys know. I've mentioned it before. We all busy these days. I'll cap my free edge here. But I do love hearing from you. So if you would, leave me a comment. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.